hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the use of force and peaceful settlement of disputes in public international law. So in this video I'm just going to give you all a very brief overview about the same. So the use of force and the peaceful settlement of disputes are fundamental aspects of the public international law, and as we all know that the principles and rules in this area seek to regulate to the resort to force by the states, prevent aggression and to promote the peaceful resolution of the conflict between the nations. Here, the United Nations Charter is the primary legal instrument that governs the use of force in international relations. It also prohibits the threat or use of force against the territorial integrity or the political independence of the state, except in cases of self-defense or when unauthorized by the UN Security Council to maintain international peace and security. The Charter establishes collective security mechanisms such as sanctions and peacekeeping operations to address threats to peace and securitization without resorting to armed force. Peaceful settlement of disputes is another important aspect of the international law. It encourages states to resolve their conflicts through peaceful means, including negotiation, mediation, arbitration, as well as the judicial settlements. The International Court of Justice, which is the ICJ, as the principal judicial organ of the United States, plays a crucial role in settling legal disputes between states based upon their consent. Regional organizations and treaties also contribute to the peaceful settlement of disputes. For example, the OAS, which is, as you all know, that it is Organization of American States, has a system of peaceful dispute settlement, and the European Union has developed mechanism for mediation and arbitration. Efforts to prevent conflicts and promote peaceful resolution have led to the development of conflict prevention initiatives, early warning systems, and diplomacy. Diplomatic negotiations and peace agreements have been instrumental in resolving numerous conflicts around the world. So in this video, I'm just going to conclude it. So while the ideal goal is to settle the disputes peacefully in this topic, so basically the challenges persist always and conflicts occasionally escalate into armed confrontations. Nonetheless, the international legal framework on the use of force and peaceful settlement of disputes serves as a foundation of fostering dialogue, reducing tensions and promoting peaceful coexistence among the nations. So I hope you guys understood this topic. It was just an overview of the same, and if you guys have any doubt in relation to this, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.